Remove the SIM card tray from the slot. Remove 9 screws. Pry open the cover and remove it. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove 5 screws. Release the cables from the guides and remove the battery. Disconnect and peel off the touchpad cable. Remove 4 screws. Peel off the conductive tape and remove the touchpad. Remove 3 screws. Lift up and remove the heatsink. Disconnect the power button board cable, the wireless LAN cables, the fingerprint reader cable, the LTE antenna power cable, the keyboard backlight cable, the keyboard cable, the wireless LAN power cable, the keyboard backlight cable, the speakers cable, and the EDP cable. Remove 3 screws from the main board and 8 screws from the hinges. Lift up the hinges and remove the main board. Remove 1 screw. Peel off the cable and remove the board. Remove 2 screws. Remove the power button. Peel off the cable. Remove 1 screw. Remove the bracket and the fingerprint reader. remove the right speaker. Release the cable and remove the left speaker. Rotate the keyboard bezel and remove it. Carefully pry the hinge cover out of the LCD assembly and remove it.
Remove 2 screws. Pull out the tip of the special tape from the bottom right edge. Slowly pull out the tape. Pull out the tip of the special tape from the bottom left edge. Slowly pull out the tape until you can start to lift up the LCD panel. Pry open the 2 plastic snaps on the bottom left and right corner of the LCD panel. Lift up slightly the LCD panel while pulling the tape in a 45-degree direction. Release the bottom left snap, then slide the LCD panels towards the hinges and rotate it. Disconnect the video and touch cables.
Remove 6 screws. Remove the hinges. Peel off the camera. Disconnect the camera cable and remove the camera board. Peel off the left and right microphone board. Remove the microphones. Peel off the cable and remove it.